I got big news. Simple Booth is changing the photo booth experience in 2026.
Listen, if you use Simple Booth for content creation, your photo booth business, or just for your events, you want to listen to this.
First thing that I want to show is the classic Simple Booth interface. So I'm going to go to the fall festival that I recently did. And this is what the classic preset page looked like. You had these features before, but putting them into this classic preset was a little bit cumbersome. Well, it's time for an upgrade. I'm going to hit update.
I'm going to go back to the same preset that I had for the fall festival, but now we're going to see how it looks with the new and improved Simple Booth upgrades. I'm so excited. There are so many Simple Booth upgrades that I can't talk about them all, so I'm going to talk about my favorites. And number one, the layout design editor. You will not lose any information when you make the transition from the classic view to the new upgraded platform. I'm going to select the frame size 9:16, which equates to the best view on our mobile phones. The overlay does not accurately fit the picture, so it's a quick fix, and I'll show you just how to do that. I'm going to tap on the overlay image in the picture. There are white dots on each corner of the overlay. I'm going to stretch that out so that it reformatted to the picture. This feature is a game changer for me because every time that I needed to tweak an overlay or make sure that I had a nice logo on a picture, I had to go in Canva, create it, download it, and then upload it. So I didn't have a way to know if it would fully work until after I was already in the classic portal. So this is stopping the guessing game for me. I literally can see that my overlay fits on my picture, and if it doesn't, it's just a simple snip and grab. Okay, so I think everything looks great. I don't want to change the position of any layers, so I'm really happy about it. Here's another thing that I think is really cool, the background. You have the option of changing it. For me, I like to keep things pretty minimalistic because I think it fits everything. So I'm fine with that. Shadows are great, of course, if you like that. Here, I'm gonna alter it more so you can see that it just adds a little bit more depth into your overlay if that's something that you're going for. And the opacity. I love this. I love it. Chef Kiss Simple Booth. Oh my gosh. Sometimes when I created overlays, I didn't like how it looked on the pictures because the contrast was so stark. But now, if I just want to change the opacity, it's as quick as a snap. Okay, so we have pretty much everything set as far as our layout. The start screen. This is my favorite feature, and I love it in Simple Booth because they have made it now so easy to alter. I feel like if you have a dedicated start screen for your event, it makes you look so professional. This is the start screen that I originally had. You've seen it in the classic view, but here it is in the upgraded layout edition. It says dimension for this device is 820 by 1180 pixels, but the image dimensions doesn't meet that. Before, when you had to upload anything into the classic view, if it wasn't up to dimensions, you had to start over. But at least now it's letting you know in the app what the dimensions are needed and how you just need to alter your upload. All right, now let's go to the capture section of the new layout. You have the option of using the back or the front camera. The get ready prompt, I definitely think you need it because without it, people are caught off guard. All right, the countdown, I typically increase it to 4 because a lot of people may struggle to get the hang of it in their first picture, and I don't like for that to be messed up. So I give them 4 seconds instead of 3. And of course, you always have beautiful effects when it comes to Simple Booth. You can always filter your color. You can always increase the glam. You can always use the background blur, which is really cool, and I think it makes every photo pop. I love this because I no longer have to use third-party apps to create my layouts and my designs. I can now do it inside the Simple Booth app. My second favorite feature is the AirDrop sharing option. So let me show you where that option is in the new layout designer. You're gonna go to Send Options, and here you can pick any option for how you want attendees to receive their photo. So the options are QR code, AirDrop, my favorite, email, text message, picture message, WhatsApp, which is also something new, and print. So you have a multitude of ways to make sure that people are getting their pictures. And here is something I'm most excited about. Now with the new layout, you can connect your camera. And I love that because now that means that I can have a photo booth with options just like any other DSLR photo booth. I can use my iPad, or I can use my camera, or I can use both. Now that we have everything set up, let's give it a test. So I'm going to press launch. Let's see how it comes out. All right, get ready for the photo. I love it. So Simple Booth, from those of us in the photo community, I just want to say a big thank you because making these changes is going to make my life and my experience so much easier. Trust me, use Simple Booth because it's that simple.